E16 AI. Empowering education.
Hi, today we are going to see the top 10 shortcuts used in Blender. Shift plus A. This shortcut is used to add a new item inside the viewport. Let's see the video. X. To delete an object, we have to press X. Shift plus D. This shortcut is used to duplicate any object. A. To select all the objects in the scene, we have to select A. And to deselect, we have to click anywhere in the viewport. We can press E to extrude the face, the vertex, or the edge of an object. We can press E and X, Y, or Z according to the respective axis in which we want to extrude the object. Let's see the video now. Z is used to shift between different view texture. There are 4 view textures, which is wireframe view texture, solid view texture, rendered view texture, and material view texture. G. We can press G to grab and move an object. We should press G on the object and move the mouse cursor so that the object moves along with the mouse cursor. We can further press G and X, Y, or Z depending on which axis we want to move the object. R. We have to press R to rotate an object. We have to press R and move the cursor to rotate the object around the viewport. We can also press R plus X, Y, or Z to rotate the object in the respective axis we want to. S. We have to press S to scale the object. We can press S and move the mouse cursor in and out and drag the mouse cursor to increase the size of the object inside the viewport. We can even press S plus X, Y, or Z to scale the object in one specific axis. Control plus R. This function is used to do a loop cut in an object. We have to press Control plus R and move the loop cut outline on the object. Let's watch the video. We have to press Tab to change between object mode and edit mode instead of going to the mode menu and manually changing it. Let's see the video. B. We have to press B for box cut. Click B and select the vertex, the edge, or the faces and drag the box to select them as shown in the video. Control P for parenting two objects. First, click the object which has to be parented and then hold Shift and then click the other object which has to get parented with this object and then click Control plus P. Then we can see both the object has got parented as shown in the video which will come now.